Staycation to, what's it called?
Habtoor Palace.
Habtoor Palace. Look at her driving her Beamer. She's a rock star.
The lobby of this hotel is insane. It's so beautiful. They have like 2 staircases that meet at the top and this beautiful chandelier. Honestly, this lobby made it for me.
Hi.
Hi.
Where's this?
Welcome to my room
Okay.
or my house for the next 2 days.
Where are you staying at?
Habtoor Palace.
Hi. Okay, so what's here?
This is the dressing area. They were
Okay.
kind enough to bring all our luggage
Very
up to
fancy.
the room.
Very fancy.
And then we can make our way
Okay.
to this little area.
What is this?
Just a dresser for us to be weighed. And we come up to the coffee station.
Do you want to open that? Look at that nice display.
Very nicely done. Neither of us drink coffee, so it's completely wasted on us.
Yes, it's true.
And then we have the bed.
The bed. Don't ruin the bed.
I just had to.
And tissues, very important.
And then a little study area with some complimentary fruits and chocolates.
Yeah, which you're not gonna eat. Everyone knows that.
I'll eat the chocolate.
Fruits are a waste down here, but look at that. Nicely arranged.
And then
I
we
think I
have-
ruined it. I think I should just
Huh?
put it back.
We have the view of Sheikh Zayed Road.
Oh, that's nice. I think there's some buildings being constructed, but you can see that.
And you can see the little waterfront.
You can see the waterfront. What else?
This is the little thinking corner.
Nice. What are you thinking about?
You!
No, no, sorry. Can I show the...
Wait, also, isn't this the... You know what this chair is called?
The futon.
No, it's called the helpless... Wait, there's some reference.
No, the helpless lady.
Yeah, the helpless lady chair.
Hopeless lady. Hi.
And this is the bathroom.
Okay, very fancy.
We have our own sinks, so we don't have to share. Which side do you want?
Yeah, either side is...
And then the beautiful tub. That's where I suspect you're gonna be all weekend.
Yep. Look at that. Look at that.
And then the shower.
There's a little bench to sit. Nice.
Yeah.
Very fancy.
And that's the whole room tour.
Yeah, good.
Well, we're very excited to stay here for the next 2 days. Okay, now,
Bye.
out, bye. There was something wrong with our room, so they changed us to another room and gave us some chocolate-covered dates and flowers to make up for the change. So we're ready for dinner. We're heading out. This is the dinner fit, and we're heading out for dinner. The valet was bringing our car so we could head out to Bluewaters. Bluewaters is really poppin' on the weekend. It's a really nice place to chill. We took in the views of the Dubai skyline before heading out to dinner. We had the reservation to go to the Pods. This is one of my bucket list restaurants. I just think the concept's really cool, and this was the waiting area before our pod was ready. The whole vibe of the restaurant was really nice and it was fully lit up. Our pod was very cozy. Overall, it's an expensive restaurant, but it was nice.
Oh, it looks nice. Looks nice too, right?
Yeah, it looks exotic, you know. And after some walking around Bluewaters, we got ourselves some dessert. After we got back to our hotel, they had done this to our room and it was a really fun surprise. It's breakfast time. Breakfast was such a large spread. You had all kinds of food at your disposal. Here's a little peek at some of the food I indulged in. Swimming time. The pool here was not that impressive. It was very shallow and long rather than wide, and the water was pretty cold too. What were you saying?
It's getting too cold.
After pool time, we explored the gym, which was pretty good. Then we came over to the spa area. This was pretty cool looking. They had the regular sauna, steam room, all of that, and they also had a Turkish bath. We then went out for a walk and explored the area. The views around the hotel are pretty nice as well. We then took the car and went out for a late night snack to Ijasa, got the burger and the Hassan Matar. Where are you?
Jumeirah Beach.
There's not a soul. Jumeirah Beach is only an 8-minute drive from the hotel, so location-wise that's pretty good. This was day 2 breakfast spread. We also tried their chocolate cake from one of their cafes downstairs. It's extremely chocolatey. Our stay here is really nice. If you're looking for a luxurious staycation experience, this is definitely your place. They treated us really well and we had really good food throughout our stay. That's all for our staycation at Habtoor Palace. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means the world to me.